I, Dr. Kapil Govil, welcomes you for this video. From this video, we are starting data structure video lectures in English language. So, as the term data structure, so it comes from data and structure. Two terms are there. So, first of all, we will discuss the term data, and then we will discuss structure, its structure, and why data structure is required, what is the application of data structure, and then we will start a data structure. So, the first topic is data. So, first of all, we will discuss data. So, what is the definition of data? Data is collection of alphabets, numbers, special symbols, but by themselves they have no meaning. So, we understand this. Alphabets, capital A to Z or small a to Z, numbers 0 to 9, and special symbols like @ hash, plus, minus, percentage, tile, and multiply, and so on. So many special symbols are there. So a definition of data is collection of alphabets, collection of numbers, special symbols, but by themselves they have no meaning. We are taking an example of one digit 0, 5, 0, 2, 20. Suppose this is the term 050220. I have written some numbers. So what to do with this number? Is it amount of any product? It may be possible. Is it bank account number of any person? It may be possible. Is it roll number of any student? Yes, it may be possible. Is it employee ID? Yes, of course, it may be possible. So what is the meaning is that there are so many confusions. You cannot take any decision by seeing this digits. So 050220 is the just digit, but you cannot take any decision. So at this point, this is called as data. I repeat, definition of data. Data is collection of alphabets, numbers, special symbols, but by themselves they have no meaning. You cannot decide anything. Now let's process it. Suppose I am processing it like this. So what do you think? What is the pattern of this structure? Now, is it possible that this is a roll number of any student? No, this is not possible. Is it possible that this may be employee code? No. Is it possible that this is the code, this is the price of any product? No. But it may be possible that is the manufacturing of any product. It may be possible. This may be possible that date of admission of any student. It may be possible that this may be a date of any appointment of any employee. It may be possible that this may be date of expiry. So one thing you are noticing that it may be date. Pattern is like of date. Now, but still there are some so many confusions, like it may be date of birth, date of expiry, date of joining, date of admission, date of exam, date of retirement. So many dates may be there. So many confusions may be there. So what to do now? Are you getting fixed information? Are you getting concrete result? No. So still it's data. I repeat the definition of data. Data is collection of numbers, alphabets, and special symbols, but by themselves they have no meaning. You are not clear what to do with this date. You do not know what to do with this date. So right now it is again data. Now we are processing it again, like date of birth. Suppose I have processed and I have mentioned a title like this is date of birth. So now it is clear that this is date of birth. But point is, date of birth of whom? Which person? Suresh, Dinesh, Kamal, Kishore. For which person? This date is of birth date. You still do not know. Suppose date of birth of Mr. Deepak Singh. Yes, now it is now clear that this date belongs to Deepak Singh for his birth. But are you sure that this is information? Are you getting concrete information, concrete results? Still no. Why? There are so many Deepak Singh in this world. Which one Deepak Singh? So we are again processing it. Son of Mr. Suresh Singh. Again, it may be possible that 5000 Deepak Singh having father's name Suresh Singh, having date of birth this. So again, you have processed, but it's still you have some confusion. Which one Deepak Singh having father's name Suresh Singh is having a date of 5 Feb 2020. Now again you are processing. So resident of means address. Suppose 123 Central Park Colony, New Delhi. So now New Delhi in this word is only one. There may be only one colony. In one colony, house number is this. So it is now clear that in one house, one person, Suresh Singh, is living, having son Deepak Singh. It is not possible that Suresh Singh having two sons, but he is naming both son name Deepak, and both Deepak has the date of birth same 5 Feb 2020. It's not possible. So what is the meaning of data now? You have some alphabets, numbers, special symbols, but by themselves they have no meaning. You are again processing till you receive information. So point it, how many times you have to convert it or process it to get information? Answer is when you receive information. Still confused? So when your task gets completed, means if you want to know whose person is having date of birth 5 Feb 2020, answer is Deepak Singh. Suppose class is of 60 students and you are asking which student has have date of birth 5 to 20, only one Deepak Singh may be there. So this may be information for you at that time, but it may be possible that at that in that class 60 students are there and two Deepak Singh may be there. So you are saying which Deepak Singh having father name Suresh Singh has the date of birth 5 Feb 2020. Now with combination of three data, you are fetching information. So it depends how much processing you need for getting information. It's not fixed rule that you have to process 5 times to get information. You have to process 7 times to get information. No, it depends on data and the receiver. I hope this concept of data and information, how to process data and to convert into information is now clear to you. I would like to request one thing. If you like this concept, if you like this video, so please share this video among your friends in your Facebook and in WhatsApp groups. So thanks for watching.